Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we're gonna see which tax platform is the best. So we have FreeTax USA and TaxAct. So if we go to FreeTax USA and then we go to pricing and products, we can see that they have here different pricing plans. So they have a free one, which is for federal taxes, and then you have the state one, which is $15. Then if we go to TaxAct here, as you can see here, they have some products. So you can see the free one. So basically the free one, it's the same as FreeTax USA, which gives you $0. And as you can see, the great thing about this is that even the state taxes are free. So if I have to go based on the pricing and what they offer, I'm gonna choose TaxAct if you want to file your taxes online and fast. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.